it's Eunice
and Ajian. Welcome to our channel.
This is Nice One Ajian. I am nice, you're nice, and he's Ajian, he's the love of my life. Anyway, if you guys are certified home buddies like us, please like this video, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon below to stay updated because we've got lots of home content just for you. From home makeovers to home maintenance, boodle finds to hacks, we have got it all for you.
Here at SM,
In this video, we are going to share how we transformed my family's living room and created a TV room or entertainment room on a budget. What's so interesting about this is we just changed one major thing. The other changes are small fixes that you can do to give your own living room a makeover or an update. How much it cost, how long it took, saan namin nabili yung mga furniture and home gadgets. We'll share them all here in this video, so stick around until the end to find out. First, let's look at the before. This room is about 20 square meters, and I would say that it's like your typical Filipino sala with wooden flooring, of course your TV and your appliances, your sala set, and some pieces of art hanging or displayed. Meron din siyang sariling CR, and it's directly connected to our mud roof. And it has the staircase access to our second floor. You probably have an idea already kung ano yung one major change na sinasabi ko. The change na kahit yun lang actually sobrang laki na ng improvement. That is none other than, zoom in please, the flooring. So, doon kami naglalaro ng mga bata kami. Sino namin puzzle pieces yung wooden parquet. So, yung iba nawala na. And other than that, because the garage gutter is broken din, napasok siya ng water pag umuulan. And so, nabasa yung wooden parquet. It's not aesthetically pleasing. It's also very annoying pag natatapakan. And it's very dirty because it's full of molds from being exposed to water for a very long time. Let's see how this plan plays out. Since this room was also my mom's study/office, it had these two filing cabinets and two study tables that were filled with documents, photo albums, photo negatives, a lot of CDs, not to mention the old furniture, appliances, and gadgets that we weren't planning on keeping. To start the cleanup, we transferred everything from that room to this space. It's our main sala. And unfortunately, we weren't able to discard the items immediately. So ayun, naalikabukan sila dahil sa pagtatiles. But thankfully, we were still able to discard the items in a proper way, of course. Photos were sorted out. Old CDs were disposed of in recycling centers. Most of the old furniture were given away. Look how my tita gave them new life in her own living room. The wooden sala set, on the other hand, was sold via Facebook Marketplace. The old TV, well, we haven't found a new home for it yet, so if you guys have recommendations on where we can donate it or sell it, please let us know in the comments down below and we'll consider it. Since our main concern is the flooring, we went to Mariwasa to look for tiles to replace the wooden parquet. In choosing tiles, we selected a color and pattern that closely matched the next room, which is this main sala or living room. And it's made of marble, so we found tiles that had hashings and a color that was very close to this marble flooring. To this We also went shopping for new bathroom fixtures, this time sa Wilcon naman. Now, let's watch the transformation. Kuha tayo. Yun nga, medyo na carried-away kami sa pagpaparenovate. So for most of the time before we moved back into this house, the TV room was used as a storage room and also the tulugan ng mga construction work. Moving in, we wanted to keep the space very simple, and so we limited the amount of furniture that we'll be bringing in to that space. We actually just transferred yung furniture namin from the old condo to this TV room. Big thank you to the folks over at Abenson and Smile Serve Installation for the very smooth process of dismantling, delivery, and reassembly of the furniture that we bought years ago for the condo and now transferring them to this house. Most of the items here are from SB Furniture at Ayala the 30th. Good news is they are available online at abinson.com. Open the description box below to find the individual links to these products. Settling in, we cleaned up, set up the books, and added a few more items to complete the room. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal. With just a few changes, we were able to achieve a very modern and very chic look. It looks very simple, and actually that's just how we want it to be. A place where we can just relax, grab a book, watch a movie, and where no clutter can take space in the room or in our minds. But of course, if you have ideas and suggestions on how we can further improve the room, please let us know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe below, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our next videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye.